hands of the reigning beauty, Miss Matanglad 2024, Jayan Grobat del Campo. Please give her a round of applause. Del Campo is the daughter of Mr. Jason Del Campo and Mrs. Marmy Grobat. Our Miss Matanglad 2024, Jayan Grobat del Campo. Of Her Highness, Second Lady Princess Giselle Olivar Valiente and Consort. Honorable Nilo Ibanez and Annalyn Ibanez. She is a cheaper student and best in English in the school year 2023 to 2024 at Serafin C. Rosero Memorial High School. Giselle Olivar Valiente Consort is her brother, Jake Valiente. Our Her Highness Second Lady Princess Giselle Olivar Valiente and Jake Valiente. A round of applause, please. Princess Sarah Joyce Asokro and her consort. Princess Sarah Joyce Asokro is a daughter of Mr. Cesar Asokro Sr. and Mrs. Abby Asokro. She is a grade 7 student of Masbate School of Fisheries. She loves surfing the net, especially on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Her dream is to become a teacher. Her consort is Mr. Adrian Banculo. Charmaine Ibanez Almero and consort. Charmaine Ibanez Almero is a daughter of Barangay Kagawad, Honorable Lloyd Almero, and Jocelyn Ibanez. She is with the honor student of Liceo de San Jose. She wants to become an accountant someday. Charmaine Ibanez Almero consort is her brother Steve James Russell I. Almero. He is graduating with high honor student of Liceo de San Jose. Once again, Her Majesty Lady Queen 2024, Charmaine Ibanez Almero and Steve James Russell I. Almero. Please give them a round of applause, please.
Mahal na Raina, Charmaine, First Lady Princess Sarah Joyce, and Second Lady Princess Giselle. Namagay na sa tulod sa 365 dias. Tunay niyan, Abril 26, 2024, hasta po sa maabot na Abril 26, 2025.
ating mga palagi. Bakit pa rin saya ako hanggang sa huli? Ashley Almero, Myrna Ibanez, Marito Nieto, Sofia Nicole Vargas.
Humawak ka sa'kin, naman magbabago o aking bituin. Humawak ka sa'kin, sundin ang damdamin. Sa sa'yo ko, pakinggan ng puso ng bituin.
Her Majesty Lady Queen 2024, Miss Charmaine Ibanez Almero and consort, to be followed by the First Lady Queen, the Princess Sarah Asokro, to be followed by Second Lady Princess and lastly, our Miss Matanglad, J.Ann Grobat del Campo. Next up is the Royal Dance of the Lady Reigning Beauties and Consort.
It's you.